Eagle Z is back with some breathtaking log transport. These beasts are roaring through the deep forest, pulling tens of tons of timber as if they're just toying with gravity. Are you ready to feel that raw mechanical power? Let's go!
Hey! Get out of there! Get out of there!
Boom! Before they could even finish cutting, the tree fell on its own. This is a classic example of why you need to assess the soil, roots, and wind direction before cutting a tree. A small oversight can lead to serious consequences.
I told you to turn that saw.
Getting through this bridge is like threading a needle, yet this driver still pulled it off. His steering skills are truly impressive and deserving of respect. This isn't just a turn, it's a high-stakes gamble. Hauling heavy timber on a difficult road, even a slight steering error could send the entire truck plunging straight into the ravine.
Puertita.
This is clear evidence of the risks involved when transporting heavy logs over unreinforced terrain, especially uneven gravel, which can easily cause the trailer to overturn.
Conche tu madre.
Operating a log truck in wet, slippery conditions demands seamless coordination of steering, braking, and feeling the road. The driver in the video did an excellent job of that. He truly deserves praise and respect. Wow, that driver's skill is absolutely incredible. That steering maneuver was truly satisfying to watch.
Ja.
I don't think unloading this way is going to work out very well. The yellow Scania slithers through the gorge like an arrow stuck in a quiver. The rock ceiling presses close, and each rotation of the wheels is a test of human and machine limits amidst the vast mountains. The problem was that before going downhill, a rear tire blew out, shifting the entire weight to the left side. You can see what happened next. But thankfully, after everything, the driver is still okay. Slow down there, buddy. Going that fast is really dangerous.
Endereza la dirección un poquito.
When the ground beneath isn't even and the trailer is too rudimentary and loose, this is exactly the result. This is the process of loading logs onto a barge, a critical link in Canada's forestry logistics chain. The power of the machinery and the precision of the engineers, everything about it is truly impressive.
Whoa!
miscalculation, and boom, the entire tree came crashing down on the roof like a hammer. Those two guys definitely learned a big lesson after this incident.
Oh man! Wow! Look at that house! Look.
On one side is sheer cliff, on the other, a deep abyss, and the vehicle is leaning so much it looks like it's about to tip over. Truly, only the most experienced and daring drivers would even attempt to conquer this road. Shonono chuckles transporting logs by motorcycle. Thoughtful. That's an interesting idea, but I think it's a bit too dangerous. Size.
Enquanto muitas mulheres estão por aí pensando em gastar a pensão dos filhos que o marido dá, essa daqui tem coragem.
If it were you, would you dare to cross this rotting wooden bridge? I wouldn't. It honestly looks way too terrifying.
Eu tô vendo dois caminhão indo.
No bridge? No problem. The Penguipuli drives straight into the rushing stream with dozens of tons of logs behind him. He clearly doesn't know what fear is.
Gracias totales.
That fall actually saved them. Next time, be more careful with your work. Climbing a steep hill, and now a bulldozer is blocking the way ahead. This is full of risks, because this muddy, slippery road could send my truck sliding downhill at any moment. This is a horse logging demonstration from Tono City, Iwate Prefecture, in 2015. The handler of the horse is Mr. Makata, one of the last professional loggers in Japan.
Stage of the job, we've augered a 50mm diameter hole, 1.1 metres deep underneath the tree.
If you liked our video, leave a 1 in the comments. Your support inspires us to create more.
Well, that is a hole.
Is that bigger than... Oh, no. Oh, man.
See, that's what happens when you get it right, ain't it?
I don't know whether to laugh or cry watching this. My heart goes out to that poor driver. This is not an easy job at all. Risks are constantly lurking and can threaten you at any moment. I truly respect the workers who do this. A sharp turn with an oversized trailer demands continuous steering adjustments and maximum turning radius use. Without a flexible rear pivot, getting stuck is a high risk. Another makeshift bridge that's clearly not safe. This is a really worrying problem. The M1070 is thundering down the mountain like a steel cyclone. Its power and speed are truly astonishing. Amazing visuals, and that engine sound is just as great. Don't you agree? Yep, that's what I call logging. Getting the timber down efficiently and safely. It would be really tough to navigate the forest alone, but with good friends helping out, everything becomes much easier. Deep snow, slick roads, heavy log truck, and this driver's still flying. Do you think this driver's a superhero or just incredibly reckless?
Hết cái bánh kia mà. Ôi trời ơi.
Oh my God, if he had just split that into 2 loads of wood, this probably wouldn't have happened. Moving through forest roads is never easy. Deep ravines, thick mud, and sharp turns. These are common difficulties drivers face in their work. This is a classic situation for log transport during the rainy season in a temperate forest. To avoid getting stuck, you need to survey the ground conditions beforehand, use tire chains, or choose a drier time. Hope you enjoyed the ride with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the exciting moments in our upcoming videos.